Great, mate. I know, but we just cut. Probably someone.
We're here to save my dad's farm. So, yes, yeah, because if this all goes through, my dad's quite elderly as well. We're probably not going to have time to leave it to my brother. And my brother's actually helped my dad pay for the farm. So, yeah, no, it's
and
not...
we've all worked on it all our lives.
We all
our
work
lives,
on
and
the
our
farm.
children.
Yeah.
And we want something for the future.
Yeah.
Why do I know you?
Del first one. Bring one verse on the second.
Is that a different?
It's not really about the inheritance tax for me. It's more about the fact that for the last God knows how many years they've been making it harder and harder for us to farm. And you know, we produce everyone's food. Without us, everything's going to be a hell of a lot more expensive because it'll be brought in from another country. But they don't seem to understand. And year on year we get more legislation, more taxes, and it's just harder and harder to turn a profit.
We're a farming nation, aren't we? So my son's actually at university doing sustainable agriculture, you know, and I feel, will there be a future for him? So,
We're not going to be able to feed ourselves soon. And it's just going to be ridiculous. Isn't it?
It is going to be bad.
No farmers, no food.
And later on today, of course, it will be Prime Minister's question.
It's just hope it doesn't go any gets silly. I mean that's where I do tap my hat off to the French. The French are much more on the ball than we are. We look at it here today. It's very calm, and it's, you know, in France they would be digging the road up, burning tyres, you know, doing all sorts of things. You know what I mean? Where we're pretty laid back. But I don't think they're going to take it too lightly now because it's getting a bit out of hand. You know.
Please get out of number 10. You're going to destroy this country quicker than the Conservatives were. At least they were doing it slowly. He's going to accelerate it greatly. So, yeah.
No farmers!